Hello and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off talkback options in POCO M3 phone. To do this, we will go to the settings.
Settings. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press.
Yes, we have to double tap it.
Additional settings in
Additional
list 34
settings.
items.
Double tap to open.
Additional settings. Back button. Full screen display. Clear speaker. Accessibility. Accessibility. Back button.
Talkback.
Double tap to activate. Vision.
Double tap to open.
Double tap to activate. Selected.
Yes. Again, select.
Speak items. Talkback.
Double tap.
Back button.
Accessibility. Double tap.
Alert stop talkback. Tapping stop will stop
Turn
talkback.
it off. And
Stop
again.
button. Double tap to activate. Talkback off.
And it's off. And it's finally off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.